Hello, in this video I'm going to show you the security tricks on POCO Pad M1. Alright, let's begin with setting up our screen lock. To do it, open up your settings. Now we need to scroll down a little until we find face data and screen lock. Tap on the screen lock. And we have three types of the screen lock. We have password, PIN or the pattern. It is up to you which mode you would like to use. I'll stick to the pattern. Remember that if you lose your password, you'll be forced to reset your device. So simply create a password that you will remember. In here we have also a tutorial where to slide to get access into our pattern. And now we have those 9 dots on the screen. To create a pattern, we need to connect at least 4 of those dots. If you want to try again, simply click on clear. If you would like to confirm, simply redraw your pattern and hit the button. Now our screen lock has been set. That is really easy. We also have the face unlock. In my case, I'm not going to set it up, but the setup process is really easy. All you need to do is to tap, first confirm by your screen lock, and now if you click on the start, a circle on the screen will appear, and all you need to do is to place your face inside of the frame and wait until your face gets detected and saved. Okay, when it comes to face data and screen lock, that's basically all right in here. From here we can go and open up the security, and let's perform a security scan. It's always worth doing from time to time, because in here we'll be able to know, do we have some potential threats. In my case, as you can see, one risk has been detected, and I think that's about the cleaner, or maybe that's because I don't have the update installed yet. Also remember that having the latest version of your software is the best. Okay, let me scan one more time, because I really would like to know what's that risk. I think that it's the update, yeah. So in here you can also perform the update. I won't do it right now because I want to show you some other things. But if you have possibility to download the update, you should do this simply ASAP. Alright, let's go back. Right in here we also have the app lock, really useful thing. Click on turn on. It basically allows us to lock the apps with the screen lock. And now we need to create our pattern, or we can change the password type and set a new one. In my case, I'll stick to the pattern that I'm using for unlocking the device. And now the pad wants us to log into the Xiaomi account, so we'll be able to reset that password. Currently I'm not logged in, so I'll click on not now. If you want, you can also skip it just like me, or you can simply sign in and add that password. Okay, in here we have the apps that we can lock with the password. When it comes to me, just for now, I'll only select the Google Chrome. So click on use app lock. You can see that the Chrome is locked. Now let me show you how that works. We have the Chrome right in here. I'll tap on that, and you can see that the only way of opening the app is by typing the password, and only then the app will launch. Pretty useful thing. Thanks to that we can lock the apps that we would like to protect. Okay, let's get back. We also have the hide apps. Let's try to hide some of the apps, maybe the Spotify, but first I would like to know where it is. Okay, it's right in here. So for now I will lock it. Hidden apps. Okay, and in here we have a tutorial how to find those hidden apps. So we just need to spread 2 fingers apart on the home screen to view those apps. Click on got it. You can see that the Spotify is enabled, and it has disappeared from my home screen. Now, and I will perform that gesture. In here we can see our hidden apps. If you would like to turn off the Spotify from here. You can click on Add and unselect it right in here, and it should appear back on the home screen. Okay, and the last thing is the second space. We can turn it on, set a designed screen lock for a second space, separate and secure your data. Let's click on turn on. Okay, click on continue. Select, do you want to use a password to switch between spaces, or do you want to use a shortcut? For the best level of security, I suggest you should use the password. Now we need to set it. I'll type this password. First I need to use the pattern to confirm that I have for unlocking the device, and now I can set a new one. So I will create maybe something like that. Draw again to confirm. Okay. And it should have been created, but maybe we need to wait a little bit more. It looks like it has lagged. Okay, I had to wait a little bit more, and now it has loaded, and now we are in our second space. That's how it looks like. In here we can stack the files, or I don't know, photos that we would like to protect. And then when we want to use our tab in normal mode, simply hit on switch. And now we get back into our normal space, simply. Okay, let me also open up the settings. Let's click on About tab, and in here, when you have possibility to download the update, simply tap on that, and that's the last thing that you can do right in here. And if you want, you can also open up the security status. In here we have the Google Play system update. It's also worth to have the latest version. As you can see, I have the update possible. I will download it after this video. And same thing with security update, but I have shown you that in About tab. We also have Google Play Protect. We can tap on that. And we can also perform a scan in search of potential threats. Okay, no harmful apps found. That's good to know. It's always good to perform that scan from time to time simply. Okay, and in here we also have Find Device. Really useful thing, so let's tap on that. I'm wondering why it doesn't want to launch. I guess something has lagged. Let me try to open it up once more. Okay, I guess something is wrong. But if it will work for you, you can try to enable that feature, thanks that it will be able to locate your device. But I don't know why it doesn't want to turn on in my case. Maybe I need to perform the update. Okay, and the last thing, if you want, from the Play Store, you can download some additional antivirus apps, for example. Thanks to that, you'll be able to scan your device in search of potential threats. But in my personal opinion, the security app and the scanner, which is already inbuilt, is pretty okay. So it's not necessary to download it, but of course everything is up to you. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.